Hi guys, and how are you all doing? My name is Medu from TradewithBolu Online Financial Services, and I'll be here to take you on our weekly Deriv analysis that will be running from the 11th of October to the 16th of October. And yes, 16th of October is a Saturday, and Deriv is a synthetic market, and this synthetic market runs even till over the weekend. So I'm going to take you an analysis for 11th to 16th of October 2021. I really hope we had an amazing weekend. And we know at TradewithBolu, we just give you an insight of what we feel we're going to expect in the coming market for the coming week. Okay, this isn't a signal we're sending out, this is just our own analysis. We could be wrong, but we take proper risk management here at TradewithBolu Financial Services. And today I'm going to be analyzing 4 indexes for this coming week. I have the step index, I have the volatility 50 index, I have the volatility 10 index, and I have the volatility 51S index. And that's just basically what I'll be looking at for this coming week. Okay, and first of all, I just want us to understand the risk warning. And at TradewithBolu, we understand that trading leverage products such as forex and derivatives may not be suitable for all investors because they carry some high degree of risk, and you should fully understand the risk involved, taking into account investment objectives and level of experience. At TradewithBolu, we give you this level of experience if you don't have it by signing up into any of our courses. And TradewithBolu will not be held responsible for any loss required by this trading system by this analysis, because we are taking proper analysis and applying proper risk management. You may want to pause this to just have a glance at this. So moving straight to my analysis, for the first index I'm looking at, it will be the step index. And there's just a simple way I love analyzing. Okay, first try to understand the market structure on a higher time frame, then trading with the market direction on the lower time frame. Okay, it's quite simple like that, because it's easier trading with the market direction in mind, because definitely in favor of the market. And for step index on the daily, we clearly see that this has been a strong downtrend. We've seen this downtrend, we've seen a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low. And we've just been seeing that for quite some time, and definitely this is a downtrend. So I'll be looking for downtrend opportunities, which I mean sells for step index to be trading in the direction of the market. So this is my daily, and I'll just move straight to my H4 to find opportunities. Okay, so for the H4, I see price coming. I see price coming out of the key. Let me mark out some. I always just love marking out some key regions. Okay, we have this strong resistance we've seen clearly lately. And after marking this resistance, I notice this little structure here. Price broke. This is a little support, price broke through. Seems like it's made a retest, more of like a double top and making a retest. Okay, and I'm going to mark out the lows. All right, so I'll just lose marked out, and let me just mark out the very last one. Marking out, these are actually just area of value, because once we have the market structure, it's good to mark out our area of value to know where we'll be taking price from. So this clearly we saw was a case of a double bottom and a break and a little retest, but I still feel price is going to come back to this region. Okay, and from this region make a push down to this side, and I would explain why. Okay, so We saw that when price came here, okay, this region has even been a quite an area of value before. It acted as a support here, came, it broke through, came back to a test, broke through, came back to a test, broke through again. All right, so that means there's some amount of volume pressure, trading, some pressure we can find from this region, and that broke price broke through. Okay, so we may see price coming back towards this region again to pick up some orders left off. Okay, and continuing the downtrend, not something that we see often happen in the market. So you can see price coming towards this region, okay, and from this region taking a push towards the downside, okay. But actually we are just looking for selling opportunities. That's one thing we should have in mind. Yeah, we are looking for selling opportunities basically. Okay, so um this making a move to this downside, price coming here, okay, it's still in line with the trend. All right, or some people would want to take a selling opportunity here and they place a wide stop loss here and they come here, okay, a wide stop loss around here. But if I want to be so conservative, I'll be waiting for price to come back to this region, take a sell around this region, okay, around this region, okay, place quite, have a nice stop loss here just above here and be aiming for these lows. All right, it's quite, seems quite better than setting a stop loss, entering a price here and setting a stop loss here. So I'm just going to be patient waiting for price to come around this region, because I see this resistance for price to break the structure. So price would most likely come back to pick up some orders left, and once price breaks above this, okay, you know, I don't believe could be wrong, so we always apply proper risk management actually when trading. And if price breaks above here, above this region, the 9145.3 region, I'll quite be bullish and be looking for a bullish move from here to the upside. Okay, if price breaks above here, all right, I'll be bullish. I see a strong break in price, I'll be bullish from this region and I'm taking price there. But once price reaches here, I'll be looking for selling opportunities, candlestick patterns or chart patterns to take this sell to the downside. So moving over to VIX 50 index, right? We analyzed this last week and we're expecting price to come here, but it's quite missed our entry by just quite some few pips, we can say. So we've seen price come back to test this our resistance, support. Sorry, this is our support. Price came back here again to this support, and what we can see is price may most likely break this support, retest, and push down. All right, we want to first understand market structure, and market was first on an uptrend. All right, and it came and it started forming some lower highs, indicating some bearish move. Okay, taking out this low, taking out this low, taking out this low, and I'm now back to this support. Two things can happen here: price push back in this range, so we have a ranging market where we have highs and lows. We have a ranging market, or price breaks down and breaks out of this range and pushes down to the downside. So actually here I'm just going to be playing safe. Okay, I would explain what I mean by that. I'm going to just be patient. All right, the one thing about trading, be patient. All right, if I see a strong break, okay, this to me isn't so strong here. If I see a strong break, I'll look for a retest and I see some candlestick chart patterns here, then I'll take a sell to this downside and boom, I'm in line with the trend. But if I see price from coming like a double top indicating bullish buyers coming in here, okay, I might just want to be joining them back in this range and taking the buy back here. So I have double buyers in this region because this could be a range, this could be a breakout. So if it's a breakout, I'll wait patiently for the breakout and the retest before taking any position. But once I see price breaks up above here, look for little opportunities on small time frame to join them back in this range to the highs. Okay, this is quite a good opportunity to trade. So going over to my third analysis, the VIX 10 index daily, And what we can see is price breaking. Okay, analyzing market structure first, you can see this uptrend, and now price coming back for this downtrend, and almost what we can see there, price has broken through here and broke this little support we can see here. Price clearly broke this little support clearly, and it almost kind of pushed it back up, but we could see this selling pressure that just keeps taking, and we can see little weakness, most likely for me coming back to a test here, this region, and if I see a strong, once price comes here and I see some kind of candlestick patterns that indicate that the sellers are coming back, I would just want to be taking this sell back to the downside, back to this down region, and this down region, and boom. Okay, so this looks like this was an uptrend. Okay, price came and broke this support. So now it seems like we have a downtrend, a little downtrend showing, but price broke this support, and most likely we want to retest this support to turn into a resistance. Okay, and from here, because it's actually quite a strong area of value, so supported 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so price could come here and take a retest, but once I see a strong push, bullish pressure, I'm just going to hold back on this pair, because definitely not in line in my analysis. I don't really have a double bars on this. Okay, more of kind of bearish for this. So if I see a strong bullish move and it breaks this, I will just quite hold back. But if I see bearish pressure coming back here, I see some nice double tops or heads and shoulder, or a strong shooting star, okay, I would just want to be taking this trade back to the downside. So moving over to my last average, VIX 51S index, and this could be pretty much a beautiful analysis I saw. Okay, analyzing we have uptrend, price came back, looks like he wanted to form. We have this kind of a failure in price moving up, but now we can see price breaking up, took these highs, close highs, we have a high low, so still more of an uptrend, and I notice this not so perfect trend line, but on the daily you can quite see it's better, but it's not so perfect channel that's forming. On this, okay. Yeah, so we have this not so perfect channel, and we can be looking, you may be looking for, okay, some opportunities to join price. And what do I mean by which opportunities? We could see, we could see price coming back to this region and picking up some little orders back here, coming back to retest this trend line fully, then pushing up. So okay, this is an uptrend, let us establish that. So we're looking for buying opportunities, and we've seen this little not so perfect trend channel at this region, and indicating price could then could likely push back to the upside. And where am I joining in? I'm waiting for price to still come back again and pick me up actually. So I'm setting maybe some limit orders here around this region. Okay, sorry, it's for price to come back to pick me from this region back to the upside, because it seems like, okay, let me explain why. There was this kind of support, price came, supported here again, looks like breaking this. I could come back again to pick up some few orders that are left here, but this is quite an area of value. A previous resistance now from support, quite a strong area of value even towards the side. So we could see price coming back here to pick orders, and we'll just be joining them back to the trend to the up of the channel. So this is all for analysis on VIX 50 index, and even all for analysis here at TradewithBolu Deriv analysis. And remember risk management, proper risk management when trading this week. This is not a signal, as this is just analysis. We could be wrong, but we're going to apply proper risk management and we see profitability in our traders this week. You may want to give to yourself joining any of our course or checking out our page at www.tradewithbolu.com, checking out our YouTube channel, liking and subscribing if you haven't, to not miss out on any of our analysis. My name is Vinci again from TradewithBolu Financial Services, and I'll see you profitable by the end of this week.